25 people were arrested on Friday night in an operation conducted by Nacada officials at a shisha joint in Kilimani, Nairobi. During the raid, 117 bongs were confiscated at Yejoka Gardens, a joint which had previously been closed down for non-compliance with the shisha ban.
In a night-long operation led by Nacada CEO Antonio Merikwa, the team raided Yejoka Gardens in Kilimani, a popular spot for shisha users in Nairobi. From one room to the other, groups of 3 or 4 people were caught smoking shisha and chewing miraa to pass the night away. Surprisingly, most of the bongs had customers' names.
What I'd like to ask and tell proprietors and operators is that the law is very clear. We know what is legal, what is illegal. In 2017, the government implemented a ban on shisha. The sale was banned, the use was banned.
During the operation, 25 people who were found smoking shisha were arrested. 117 bongs were also confiscated at the joint, which has continued to operate despite previous crackdowns.
The multi-agency will continue the investigation to get to the bottom of it. We are trying to look whether this place is licensed, whether they have a valid license. The public health also come here to see if the premise is in good shape. So the investigations have just begun.
Nacada has also defended itself against allegations of carrying out the crackdown only during festivities, when all along shisha sale and use has remained a common practice in a number of Nairobi entertainment spots.
One of the key aspects is that very many young people get inducted into drug and alcohol abuse during Christmas. Secondly, there's a big correlation between drunken driving and accidents in our country. And it's a very good starting point to start these crackdowns.
In 2017, the government banned import, manufacture, facilitation and consumption of shisha in the country, with those found culpable of the offences liable to fines of not less than 50,000 shillings or a jail term of 6 months.